morning folks, and welcome to another little jobbing video. It's a wonderful day and I'm in a very good mood, mainly because I've just had a kitchen breakfast, the Kitchen Cafe, one of the best breakfasts in York, and yes, always puts you in a good mood, doesn't it? Most important meal of the day, breakfast. Anyway, stop going on about food. Here we go. So this hopper is leaking from this joint here. So I'm going to put some Denso tape on this, and anyone who's ever used Denso tape knows that you have to be fully masked up in a completely white suit, because it's a real manky product. It's a wonderful product, but it is not very pleasant. So I'm going to have to put my gloves on and dive in. Isn't it cold? Oh my god! Definitely flying south next winter. So this product is like it's a fibre tape with a load of like petroleum jelly in it, and it's really hard to use. So I'm just going to wind it around that spigot there and try and get a better seal, and see how we get on. Do you think that'll be enough? It's really sticky and you can mould it. Let's see if that'll go back on. I don't know whether that's going to go on. I don't know, maybe take a bit off. It's going, it's going, it's going. I'm just going to lever that up. Oh, I found a cricket bat. That should do it. put a bit more on around there. What are you up to today then, Mavis? Yeah.
Nothing much today.
Yeah. Keep him warm. Yeah. Alright. You just come back from Monte Carlo, have you?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I wish I had.
Yeah. Well, I've never been one for going away. Yeah. Oh, who was it who said, was it Philip Larkin who said that I'd love to go to the Orient as long as I could come back in the same afternoon. Yeah. Well, are you able to just come up these steps and have a look at this? Just put that, what I've done is put a bit inside,
Yeah.
forced it up so it's created a seal, and then I put a bit round the outside.
Right.
See what you think.
See what I think when I get out.
Yeah, yeah. I'll catch you if you fall. I've just got my camera up there recording it. One more and you'll be able to see it. I've got you.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. I mean, if you wanted to do, when that sets, it's like petroleum jelly on it. When it sets, you can actually paint it.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So let's see how you get on with that. You all right?
Yeah.
I've got you.
Very good.
Because it's an old
Yeah, everything's old.
asbestos. Well, not asbestos. Cement.
Yeah.
Cement hopper, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, let's see if that seals. Good old Denso. It's rare you get to use a cricket bat as a tool. Good morning folks and welcome to a new video. So jobbing jobs today, and first job is to replace the toilet siphon and filler in this remote cistern. So okay, let's see how it evolves.
A few moments later.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Very good. It's strong enough. Yeah.